In this video, we are going to see how we can view the Facebook terms of service or privacy policy on Facebook. So let's say that you want to use Facebook professionally, whether for your page, whether you are a public figure, and you just want to make sure that all the content you post, it doesn't conflict with the Facebook privacy policy or the terms of services. So you want to review that in advance, or you want your lawyer to review that in advance. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just go to the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon and click on the settings and privacy. And again, click on the settings. And all you have to do is to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says community standards and legal policies. From here, you can review the terms of service. You just click on it, and this is all about it. You can read the terms of service. These are the terms of services, and this is a little navigation through it. Also, if you want to review, let's say, the privacy policy or community standards, you click on this and you should be able to go through the complete policy along with some of the video interactions, so that you can understand better how the Facebook content should be posted and what are the community standards. And that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.